I'm preparing everything so that everything is flat and behind this edge, because we're gonna do crazy stuff, I think, to get out of here. Look, I was awaiting the rain. 5 days ago I came, it was downhill and muddy. I came here without problems because it was downhill. Uphill it would be maybe a problem. It probably would be okay though, but I wanted to wait 2 good days, 2 dry days. But I stayed 5 days, and this night it rained like hell. It rained crazy amounts. I have puddles. It's way wetter than before. But yeah, well, I need to go now. I can probably all of a sudden this night my electricity was done. 1 battery, so I had to connect the second battery to charge the first battery. It's gonna be full again, the main battery, but I don't understand why it was 50%. I normally at night do between 15 and 20%. Just by standing still, the tire is already a little bit deeper. So yeah, now first I'm gonna start the quadcopter, because this was a very special place, and now when I have it recorded. Okay, 4 low gears and everything anti-lock. I just stopped here near the road because this gravel road was yuck. Look. This kinda sucks.